here with Nick Hayden, bouncing back from a defeat against Molynes and now getting 3 points with a hard-fought game, really digging deep to get that equaliser. Tell us, sum up the game for us, Nick Hayden.
I thought set up really well. We dominated the ball. 40 minutes, I thought, we got 2-0 up, missed a chance to make it 3, and then we seemed to be a mad 5 minutes. I said before the game, they've got a goal threat. There's 2 or 3 of their players that they're getting goals pretty regular. So we've got to be aware of them. Popped up 2 goals to get it back to 2 apiece. So kind of changed the half-time team talk a little bit. Tried to get it back to getting on the ball. Don't get caught up in the state of the game. Kind of said like, look, it's 0-0 again. We're starting the game again. So let's go again. Obviously Molynes have got the tails up a little bit, getting it back to 2 apiece. Reggie popped up with a bit of quality. He's noticed keep off his line.
Lovely goal.
He's got, Reggie's got that quality in his finishing. I think it took a real team effort then to see Molynes off for the rest of the game.
Question, your captain, a very outstanding player throughout this game. He really dictated that game, the Sole McCullough, in that deep defensive role. Quite so often I've seen you played him at the right back position. Which position on the pitch I think you'd prefer to utilise him at?
I like Sole in midfield. One thing I've asked him to do is be a bit more disciplined. And staying with that protection to the 2 centre-half. Yeah. He's shown that tonight. And then really on the ball, just use it quickly and simply. Yeah. And then is it a couple of crossfield diagonals? We've got people in. But so I don't want him doing that trying that constantly. Just keep the ball ticking over, keep possession for us. Things will open up for him.
So the youngster, Tariq Zimini's got the man of the match. How, as a coach, would you evaluate his performance? And what are the positives as a coach that you saw from his performance?
Well, he's a real athlete. I think he's on the GPS stats. He's smashed out high speed running score. I think going forward, he's a real another option. We've got down that right hand side. We've had Fletch tonight, and then obviously we've got Dev, an attacking threat, and then Zimmy obviously backing that up. Proves a real problem for the opposition. I think he's still young. He can do with some work on his defensive side of his game. I think he's going to be a real prospect.
All right, coach. Overall performance. Do you think that was a proper performance going up? Or there's other things that you'd want to work on?
There's always things to work on. But, I think showed a bit more urgency, a bit more desire to especially defend our box tonight, close to the Molynes game. Showed a bit more of an attacking threat.
All right, thank you, coach. And well done.